In this video, I'll show you how to upload videos on Rumble for beginners. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Rumble account. If you don't have one, create one for yourself. I'll be dropping the link in this video description, rumble.com. So if you want to upload a video here on Rumble platform and you're a beginner, ensure you watch this video from the beginning to the very end, right? So what you need to do, you need to click on this green icon, right? Click on it. Then you'll see this upload video. Click on this upload video. Wait for it to load. Select video you want to upload or drag and drop the file here. So I'll click on this. Then amongst my video options, I'll scroll down. I want to use this for an example. I'll click on this, open. I'll wait for it to load. Yeah, so video information. I'll come on here, I'll type in Minecraft funniest video. Then video description, I can just recopy this. Okay, let's say I'll see typing this, right? I'll paste it here. Then primary category, I'll scroll down. It would be entertainment. Yeah, this. Secondary category, it would be just this. Yeah, or I can just leave this, right? I can just leave it. I can leave it. So video thumbnails, I can select this. Tags is optional. Yeah, tags is optional, but I can still type in Minecraft. Yeah, so visibility public, I would select it to be public. I would tap on this upload and share. Upload, share and license your videos. So my licensing options would be for let me say, okay, this one, right? So there's no other additional thing I want to add to this, right? So I'll scroll down. Once I think I'm done, right? Yeah, so you would click on this, so I would click on this submit. I wait for it to load. So I think our video is done now, right? So I would view this video now. So it's still processing. So this is it. Exactly. So our video is live now on this platform. Minecraft funniest video. I would click on it. It should play. Okay, it's still uploading. Oh, it's still processing. Yeah, so I can still click on it. So this is it. This is how you can upload videos here on Rumble platform. This video is basically for only educational purposes. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.